5 Best Pool Vacuum for In-Ground Vinyl Pool Reviews. Number 1. Dolphin Quantum Automatic Robotic Pool Cleaner. If you think of purchasing a superior filtration and fastest pool cleaner, Dolphin Quantum Automatic Cleaner is the best pool cleaner on the market. Its very delicate filtering process cleans even the smallest dirt. Even the ones that are impossible to see with the naked eye are cleaned in the fastest time. The Dolphin Quantum Automatic process is capable of pool cleaning in just 2 hours. Dolphin Quantum has a good reputation for its most popular and advanced services. Since its launch in 2016, its users have been steadily increasing. It is used to power the PowerStream, PowerJet 3D mobility system, which is improved from most pool cleaners on the market. There are also Hyper Grip continuous trucks and Snaplock filtration technology used. Number 2. Hayward W32025ADV Pool Vac. Hayward W32025ADV Pool Vac XL is an automatic pool cleaner with a pattern motion cleaning technology. That is the powered vacuum cleaner. Both Hayward Gunite and Vinyl are active in the pool. Aquapilot technology has been added to the Hayward Pool Vacuum Cleaner, enabling this cleaner to clean the pool very quickly and efficiently. It is pre-programmed with the steering so that all the pools are cleaned of dirt, and the pool is stain-free. The installation process of this vinyl pool vacuum cleaner is straightforward. It does not require any additional boosters or other accessory equipment to run the filtration process. Its advanced turbine technology quickly removes all debris and other debris from the pool, making the process very easy and hassle-free. Number 3. Pentair Creepy Crowley Great White In-Ground Pool Cleaner. The Pentair GW9500 Creepy Crowley has a reputation for removing even the most robust dirt from the underground pool. Because this vacuum cleaner uses Bristol drive technology, it can loosen stubborn dirt that is firmly stuck to the floor and pool walls. Then all the small or large derbies are removed in a vacuum action process. The free flow gauge feature in this vacuum pool cleaner allows the user to set the correct pool cleaning speed. There is a control valve to control it. Pre-programmed steering ensures uninterrupted cleaning. It is capable of cleaning in a 15-inch vertical way. You can easily install a vacuum line without any other equipment. That's why the Pentair Creepy Crowley has a free vac port fitting facility. Number 4. Zodiac Barracuda G3 Suction Side Automatic Pool Cleaner. If you are looking for wonder and powerful vacuum cleaner to clean your entire pool walls and floor, the Zodiac Barracuda G3W03000 is perfect for you. This is a very good quality automatic pool cleaner. It uses advanced technology flow keeper valves. It works well with low power pumps. Zodiac Barracuda scrubs the pool floor and walls very well and removes all medium-sized derbies through vacuum action cleaning. Flow levels valves are used to control the speed and condition of water flow by attaching your cleaner to the skimmer. The Barracuda G3 cleaner uses long-life hoses and scaffold-resistant flow control valves. These functional hoses do not allow the scaffold to grow on the floor of the pool or anywhere else, eliminating it in the beginning. Number 5. Polaris Vac Sweep 280 Pressure Side Pool Cleaner. Polaris Vac Sweep 280 is a vacuum pressure-based pool cleaner. It can clean any pool. It needs a Polaris booster pump to run it, and it works all over the vinyl pool. The PP4-60 pump should be used as a Polaris pressure pump. Other Polaris pressure pumps, including this one, are designed to fit this cleaner. The Polaris 260 vacuum cleaner uses double jet technology, which increases the cleaner's vacuum power, taking only 3 hours or more to clean the pool. A single chamber filter bag is equipped with a pressure cleaner to hold all the dirt accumulated on the pool's bottom, including wall scrubs and derbies. It also contains other derbies, including small and large pebbles. Its filtering process is done through a molasses filter. The filter bag is quite functional.